Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have a rare offering from us though. We got a 2004 Chevrolet Express van 3500. So top of the heap as far as how much tonnage this van is. It's the cargo express van, and 3500 designating the 6.0 liter V8. So quite a large engine in this van, could pull or service any vehicle needs for a business, AC, plumbing, sprinkler company. Great van here. This one's offered with 81,000 original miles, 3 previous owners, 1 minor accident on the history report in its entire life, which isn't that bad. So 6.0 Vortec V8 runs very smoothly. Everything all up to date under here, so no problems with any engine work or needing to be done on that front. AC is ice cold. New tires up front, has great, excellent tread, Goodyears on the back, and it's just a big van, very large, so you can fit a ton of storage in here. And it already comes pre-fitted with a cage here to block off the driver and passenger in the front seat. Leather front seats, good condition. This one comes with power windows locks. I mean, that is a rare feature for these vans, so that's another really good added bonus there. As you can see, it's a blank canvas back here, so add your own shelves, whatever you need to do. As you can see, we have some plywood from us using it for our own personal needs here, but very clean, ready to go. It has this large sliding door here. As you can see, it still has the window storage there. And then it comes pre-fitted with this green stripe, so whether or not that's a benefit to your business or not, it does come with it. And as you can see back here, plenty of storage. Comes with the jack for changing a spare tire out. Has the barn style doors in the back. Very nice. Very nice. Ready to go. Everything's working in this, no lights. Just very well cared for van. Fires right up. Small hole here in the vinyl leather there. But coming to the driver's side, we have our power mirrors, our automatic up and down window, and our passenger power window. Then we also have our power lock switch here. Interior illumination, headlights. Then we have our turn signals and wipers over there. So it does come equipped with a tow mode, has the ability to turn on or off the passenger airbag, has a charging port here, standard radio and standard AC controls. So nothing too fancy there, but it's just enough for the workers to listen to some tunes, or if you are driving the vehicle, for you to listen to some tunes. So turn the vehicle on here. The only gauge that we have is inoperable is the oil gauge, which is pretty common to go on these. But as you can see, there's the 81,000 original miles. Revs up very nicely, idles smoothly. AC is ice cold. So I know you hear me say it's ice cold. Well, it is very cold, but this one, it goes beyond that. So very cold AC. Speakers are okay. I mean, there's nothing too fancy about the speakers that are equipped with this van, but you can see the vinyl floors throughout here, and then it also comes with the original owner's manual. Plenty of cup holder and storage space for books and any workmanship documentation there. So there you have it, this beautiful 2004 Chevrolet Express van 3500. Pretty rare offering from us. We usually don't get into much of the transit vehicles or work vehicles, but we couldn't pass this one up. The mileage was too good, it's too clean, and she's ready to go, turnkey truck. So come on down and see us, and come view this one online on our website, this 2004 Chevrolet Express van. You can find exclusively at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.